Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock on Samsung TV. Quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Peacock on your Samsung TV, start by turning on your television. Ensure your Samsung TV is connected to the internet. Locate the Smart Hub button on your remote and press it. Navigate to the Apps section using the arrow keys. In the Apps section, search for the Peacock app. Once you find the Peacock app, select it to open the download page. Press the Install button to download the app to your TV. After the download is complete, open the Peacock app. You will see a welcome screen prompting you to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, select the Sign In option. Enter your email address and password, then press the Sign In button. If you do not have an account, choose the option to create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Once you are signed in or registered, you will see a confirmation message. At this point, you may need to activate your device. Look for an activation code displayed on your TV screen. Using a smartphone or computer, go to the Peacock activation website. Enter the code shown on your TV into the provided field on the website. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation. Return to your Samsung TV, where the app should refresh automatically. You are now ready to enjoy Peacock on your Samsung TV. Explore the content and make the most of your streaming experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.